Alrighty guys, here's a Holmes 20-inch black box fan that I got at Target. I just got this because I was curious on how these were, because I had a Lakewood box fan about 4 years ago. It's very similar to this one, and I was just curious if they changed it any, and they did. So let me show you. So here's what it looks like. I got black because I think gray and white is boring. And black is more modern looking in my opinion too. But it's got the lace braided fan blades that used to be on the Lakewoods. But since Sunbeam bought out the patent, they put them on Holmes fans and the Kenmore ones as well. So it's a 20-inch box fan. It's got a really slim cabinet. The paint job on this is terrible. There's blemishes and scratches in the paint. There's little nicks, and the layer of paint that they put on here is very thin. It is made in the USA, but because for being made in the USA, it has very poor quality control, in my opinion. It's got 3 speeds. On the back, I don't think that makes any sense at all. I mean, why would you put the knob there? Because then you can't put it in the window unless it's facing out. I guess they just wanted to save money by putting the wires and switch and everything closer to the motor, which is exactly why the boombox cord is there. I think it's stupid. I wish it would come out the bottom. Another thing that changed from the Lakewood one that I had, this boombox cord, once you stick it in the fan, it's permanently attached to the fan. It can't be removed. I tried with my hands and vice grips and pliers. It's not coming out. So I don't particularly like that. I kind of think that's stupid because then you can't take it out and wrap it around here and store the cord like they advertise in the box. But I do like the black color. And as far as the plastic goes, I mean, you can see they did forget to clean off little bits of the plastic. This is where the handle is. It's on the back. It's really tiny. So I mean, if you got small fingers like me, that's good. But some with larger fingers, they're probably just gonna have to do this, you know. But it's got 3 speeds. The motor, at least they get room to breathe, is really tiny. This fan almost moves no air, if any at all. It's good for a small room, and that's about it. And it's pretty quiet on the low setting, but the medium high is just too loud. And really, if you want to be comfortable, you have to use it on the higher 2 settings. The lowest setting is probably good for white noise, and that's all I can think of right now. On the bottom, it's model HBF20. 0.8 amps. I mean, not terrible, but still underpowered. There we go. And my last con about this fan, the cord is so short. It's probably about 4 feet long. Like, I don't want to have to use an extension cord with this fan all the time, but it looks like if I want to use it, I will. There's also a little thing that you can put the cord in, so you can put it up against the wall or whatever, and it won't smush the connector right there. Alright, so let's turn this guy on, shall we? I'm going to start with low. The blades are not all that well balanced. The fan's shaking on low. Like, it's moving almost no air. Bumping up to medium speed. It's still quiet, but it does make a lot of noise. Maybe a little bit more air, like I could feel comfortable with this probably. We'll move it up to high. And this is pretty loud, but at least it's moving a decent amount of air. I mean, like I said, it's not terrible, but if you really want to be comfortable, you have to have it on medium or high, especially if you're in a warm room. I mean, the blade's not all that well balanced, but at least the feet keep it from sliding all over the place. And turn it off. So there you have it. There's my Holmes 20-inch box fan in black. Like I said, I'd really only recommend this if you're desperate for a fan or if you don't have the money to get a better fan. But what I would do is I would go out and buy a Lasco weather shield with thermostat from Home Depot. It's about 35 bucks, but it's way better built, and you'll certainly get a couple more years out of it instead of this thing. And if you can really afford it and you want to put a lot of money into something and something that'll last for 10 years plus, go out and get an Air King 9220 20-inch high velocity floor fan. That is a powerhouse. It'll last for 10 years. But anyways, that's my opinion of this fan. Not the best, but it'll do. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them in the comment section. And as always, I will see you in the next one.